We just had an absolutely brutal cardio back and buys exercise, man. So we got a little bit of free time right this second. Let's go ahead and hit the bikes. I got a gnarly pump going on right this second. Feels amazing. Not a single cloud in the sky, but there's a plane up there. I think that's the same jet. That's insane how he's only right there. You just can't say that this is not beautiful. Now, the only downfall about this right here is there's no color. Like, there was like some flowers and stuff, it'd be even better, but so beautiful. So peaceful. Let's go see what the water looks like down here. And I think it's because this is more of a channel. This isn't the direct open Chesapeake. It's still brown, but it's not as brown as over there. Over there, it's gnarly brown. Nice, he got something pretty decent. It's still brown. This thing is so hard to keep it up. I mean, it's just like, it wants to come up, but it's just so hard to keep it up. That was a little bit better, but that was a little too high. Just a little too high. You get it up too high like that, don't ever forget to smack that rear brake. That wasn't too high, but see, we're on a little bit of a hill now. It'll help. This bike is just, like I said, it's hard to wheelie this thing. It's just hard to wheelie it. I just got stung by a bee. Look at that. That bee just fucking stung me right in the leg. Little bastard. I mushed him. Damn. Stinger's still in my leg, I think, or it's in the pants. Now you can see it. See, look how brown that water is now. It must be because of the rain. It is straight Charlie and the Chocolate Factory water.